All right, Evan. What do we got going on here?
So, Jordan's birthday was the 28th of June, correct?
Correct.
28th, yeah. It is now the 22nd of July, and we have not gotten a birthday present yet.
But he's been gone
He has been
for like
gone,
3 weeks.
and none of us ever give each other presents on time anyway, so it's just not that big a deal. But while Jordan's gone, we thought it'd be a great idea to surprise him with something that he's been wanting forever and talking about forever. So, hence jet ski. But something's missing in this jet ski. We don't have like the most important part. So,
How much was it, first of all?
we found this on Facebook Marketplace for $300. So,
It was.
pass that.
We had to get it.
Yeah, it was a no-brainer. So, today, as seen on TV, Flex Seal. So we're going to stop up all the holes in this jet ski so that it'll float. And then once it floats, we're going to put it in Jordan's swim.
So when he comes home later tonight,
Yeah.
he might not see it tonight because it'll be dark.
Yeah.
But first thing in the morning, walks outside, jet ski in the pool.
Phil Swift, please stop this. We're going to start Flex Sealing.
Is that gonna work?
Oh, my phone.
You got a bolt?
Yeah, we need some bolts.
Right.
Yeah, I was really going for like the screen door effect. Luke, slow down, I'm not wearing my life jacket.
Our update, it won't fit through the gate, so we took the door off. Almost there, boys.
We have successfully installed the jet ski in the pool.
I fell in.
It took a little bit of work to make sure that all the holes were sealed up and stuff, but once we use a lot of silicone and a lot of screws and a lot of Flex Seal and one rubber boot from Lowe's, but other than that, it didn't take a whole lot of work. But she floats for now.
Time to put the seats on.
Yeah, let's put the seats on.
Woo! She might be leaking now. I think it goes under it. Marketplace.
Facebook.
Is it just a float?
Go take a ride. No, it's a sea don't.
See, don't.
I'm kind of scared. How'd you get in here?
So Jordan, what do you think of your 21st birthday present?
I love it. At least it floats. Nice and brown.
What are your plans with this here vehicle?
There's one of two options.
Mm-hmm.
We can get it running again, or we can turn into some yard art. The subscribers will decide the fate of the jet ski.
We'll see what happens.